Hello, everyone. Hello. First of all, I want to share our practical experience. No water, no some buzzwords, and to share our experience how we adopt AI in daily basis routine. So let's start. This is me, and my last 2 years, climbing is my main passion. And what I gained, understand that you can't reach the top if you jump one leap, but you can sometimes go down or even sideways and small pieces, step by step. You currently improve and can reach the top. My name is Artem, and I'm head of Frontend with 10 plus years experience in engineering. Also, currently, I lead 20 people in 6 squads. And actually, why I'm here standing is because I extremely like of using AI and adopt on daily basis routine. A few words about the company. Uh, the company is great, and the company is great. The name is OBRIO, and this is the best product on the market about spiritual niche, and one of the biggest product in genetic ecosystem. You can see numbers. 6 years, 65 million users worldwide, and so on. But the most important part for me, it's we support people inside our team, we support people outside, we support Ukraine, and we have a strong position during our war. So to be honest, grateful to be a part of the company. Let's go on. And this is the agenda. We are speaking about AI adoption, also about team and LLMs, and in the end, we have a conclusion, as simple as that. First of all, the main question, who knows this guy, please? Okay. All that here. This was a test on age. Yeah, this guy, his name is Clippy. And first of all, he was released in Word 97. And for me, I remember him. For me, it was the first assistant. And he really tried to do his best. But the best part of working with Clippy was his animation, because he almost always failed. But this guy survived. Even millions or billions people click cancel even before cancel culture was so popular like nowadays. And today he will be my co-pilot. So Clippy, let's go. Let's talk about AI challenge. This is the real message which our CTO Anton dropped on the Slack. This is mostly in Ukrainian, so I highlighted the most important part. The first of all, this is AI challenge, and it means that everyone from our team can create any product powered by AI, which bring the value for the business. As simple as that. That's all. No rules. And the second, iPhone 17 for 17 for the first place. So I combined these two pieces together and immediately jump in to create the product. But this is in international conference, so I asked ChatGPT to translate this image, and he did this. I don't know why vertical, not landscape, and also near Anton's name, you can see an American flag. Maybe Anton shares some information with ChatGPT, and this is a secret, but he is living in Ukraine. But we have what we have. And the funniest part for me is this. This is a true CTO, and this is a AI CTO. Maybe from other universe. With low resolution, I don't know, so Clippy, make him happier and better resolution. Okay. Thank you, Clippy. So, currently on this stage, we have 2 CTOs. And in 1 month, we'll have performance review, and I have tough questions. How do you think? Should I go first to Anton or to AI CTO? who loves me, who told me that I am a star, and every my dummy question told me that I am absolutely dumb, absolutely goddamn right. So it's a tough one. But let's go to the product which I built. The name of the product is Nova. Nova is a phenomena in astronomy. It means that star became lighter. So I became a product which can show our path to avoid some obstacles. This is the main idea. And also the second meaning which I put it in. This is also the team, Nova, and this is me, was the champion of Ukraine in Ultimate Frisbee on the beach. So two meanings in one product, but like some wise man told me, words are cheap, show me the product. So this is a product. I give you a few seconds to look around. And the main idea of the product was to combine separate pieces of information in one place with Gray UX. First of all, I combined Jira, GitLab, and Zoho. This is an HR platform. And currently we have, this is a sprint. This is real data from our sprint. This is a growth sprint. You can see we have 182 tasks with a progress bar, as simple as that. Green is finished, red is blocked, and so on. This is me. This is my task finished presentation for WAWTech. And near my name, you can see a palm with number 4. It means that I'm here, I'm standing on the stage and have a business trip. So now we clicks, this is a screenshot, and anyone from the company can open this product and clearly understand what is going on with the sprint and with current states. So the main idea was to simplify the data. Open the task. This is 2 days, but it took way more time. Next time I will put more times for creating great presentation. So this is the funny part. In the center, you can see a small rectangular and 2 green squares and over GitLab icon. It means that in Jira, we finished the task. And also, the task was created and merged in GitLab. So product clearly can understand without asking any question for the developer, just watching color, icon, everything is great. Move to the right, and you can see the analytics. We have a bunch of analytics, prediction analytics, and so on. And on top of that, we have this little guy. This is AI report. So I have the information from Jira with comments, with history with comments, from GitLab, from Zoho, combined it together. So I easily can put it to OpenAI and ask anything. For example, how sprint going on? Or maybe we have blind spots. Or maybe please find unexpected connection between the task. And this connection could be inside the comments, not the task. So in 1 minute, you will have a clear report. Extremely powerful, and our team are happy to have this one. Let's move to the next step. Next step is about GitLab, and this is more for me and for developers. So we have sprints aggregated by people, all stuff, and I highlighted the most important part for me. First of all, we have six old merge requests. It means highlighted with yellow. So you can see that Sasha has merge requests with 48 days without merging. So I go to the people and speak with them to understand how I can help them. The main idea that it's not tool for judging, it's tool for helping, and highlighted what we can do better. So it's highlight a lot of things which we can cover it just in Jira. So this is analytics, And the most important for me is this one, average time to merge. So after merge request was created and merged, we have 1.4 days. It's a quite good pace. So we're on the right track. Let's go on to the numbers. I built this product in 16 hours. Backend, front-end, authorization, and also deployment. And 90% of code was generated by LLMs. I calculated how much time do I need without LLMs, and it was around 200 or 300. Because a lot of APIs, integrations, I need to understand authorizations. With LLM, it's simply as that. I'm just have a clear idea, and I know what I'm doing. So pretty impressive. Let's move on, and what we gained. First of all, we now have a single source of truth. Without clicking 5 tabs, we get everything in one tab. The second, we have less noise and have a signal because we have an analytics, prediction analytics, and this tool help us. Of course, AI, it's simple. Use AI and everything will be great. But the most important part from this section is the next. We have 11 AI use cases. So people involved. People really involved. And interesting part, that only 5 people was from developer streams. Other products was from HR or even branding. So not guys create the products. I'm motivated to hear this, honestly. And the main conclusion from these sections could be, first, that you need to do what you need to do, say, build the environment. If you have an open environment, the AI adoption will be great. And worst part, what you should to do, it's to push people to use AI. I saw the examples, it doesn't work. Let's go on. We speak now about our team and LLMs, how we adopt the LLMs. And when I thought one phrase which includes all meanings of the section is this one driver, more than 100 tools. So Clippy, please generate the image for this section. Okay, could be, but I'm not telling about driver because driving a car. I'm telling about people who drive the process, who have a strong personality. And I can see here 100 tools. So please regenerate the image. Okay, Clippy. Okay. So strong personality, it's okay. 100 tools, it's also okay. Also, who developed for Microsoft? No? Only me? No supportion? Okay, it's a pain. So, Clippy, you have a good sense of humor, but what is going on? Okay, Clip is not available, so we speak about our experience, and the first and the really powerful instruments is we have a front-end community. So luckily, I'm a driver of front-end community, and I can pick any topic, what we learn together with the team. This is a real screenshot from our Notion, and I highlighted the topic which contains something about LLMs, cursor, and so on. So 4 topics from 10, we speak about LLMs. And generally, I was the first person who drives the process. I deeply understand how to build the product with the cursor and share with my team. And next I have more, I and 3 more engineers like this, and so on. Currently, almost all team use the AI because we show the power, not to force this. What about statistics, you ask? The statistic is next. This is statistic from Cursor. Cursor is now the main tool for whole development stream. And the most important part for me is this one, 21.6. It means that Cursor create code, and we merged this code to our system. I can't say it's good enough, 21.46 or not good, but what I know, each month by month, this number rapidly increase. So we on the right track. This is next, not obvious thing, but it works. I'm going to talk about hackathons. Not regular hackathons, but hackathons in our company. During last 8 months, we have 6 hackathons. It means that we collect small group of people and we have a big task. For example, refactoring or to create some big feature. And this is also the real photo from hackathon marketing team. We have 3 developers, front-end developers, 2 developers create code, and 1 developer tests. So we had new feature covered with the tests in 3 days. Everyone will happy. So next 4 months, we planned 2 hackathons, one of redesign and another from refactoring one piece of service. So what we learned from this section? First of all, we start from one tool. You can use and try anything, but if you have one tool, we have a deep expertise in this tool. This is important. The next one, AI is now daily basis. What I mean, we have AI stream, and also we have AI enthusiasts like me. And we can do everything what we think can our business grows. And our managers support this. The next one, it's about metrics. I always watch the metrics and see who is using AI, who not. It's also not about judging. It's just I want to help people to do their work best. And the most important point for me is this one. AI is great, but like you see on the previous one slides, from 10 sessions, only 4 was about AI. We are front-end team, but we learned about SSH, about Docker, about advanced TypeScript, about Git under the hood, and other deep engineering stuff. So this is fundament AI only on top of that. And what is the main point from this section? This is strong engineer with AI is the power. I very often speak about one topic, will AI replace the engineer? You can replace word engineer about SEO, about design, and so on. It doesn't matter. What the right answer, I don't know. But what I currently know, that people powered by AI replace people who don't use AI. This is the current state. So, Clippy, please to sum up everything I told you today and give me the best advice. Okay, it could be, but I want, if you can give the one thought from my presentation, it would be next. This one. Don't miss the opportunity. Highlight it. Use the tools or build your own. And this is me holding the iPhone because I get the first place. Thank you.